Hello, welcome back to another video. Right, okay, so I'm out and about in B&M stores in the UK and I've come across these bad boys. Now, Goodmans earbuds, although it says earphones on there, on the front. Now, it was sort of a bit of an impulse buy, to be honest with you. I do own a pair of these, which is a set of JLab Executives, pretty decent. I just wanted a spare pair, and these actually look the part, sort of thing. So now I'm not that kind of guy that spends £200 plus on earbuds. I know the Apple ones are quite expensive, around about £40 my limit. I have a tendency of losing things, so I just thought, no, I'm not paying that much. I like good quality sound, don't get me wrong, but you know, these actually are quite good. These were £40–50 a couple of years ago. The cats have decided, I don't know if you can see that properly, to chew the case. Made of vegan leather. I don't know what that means, but that's not about this today. Right, so in today's video I'm going to be unboxing these and I'm going to see if they're any good. Righty ho. So what we got? We've got 17 hours with carrying case. Assume that needs charge. Voice assistant ready. Touch control. LED charge indicator. True wireless earphones. Right, on the back, features: stream music via Bluetooth, built-in rechargeable battery, built-in microphone, a lightweight LED charge indicator. In the box, wireless Bluetooth earphones, charging station, instructions and Type-C cable. The thing with Goodman stuff is, it's always presented very nicely in a nice box. And look at that, rather jazzy. Magnetic sort of clasp as well. So quick look around the box. Yeah, all nice and good there. There we go. Now I don't know if Goodmans is actually owned nowadays by B&M. I can only seem to get Goodman stuff on B&M. I don't quite know what's going on there. Right, in the box we do have instructions. USB Type-C cable, a bag with some spare earbuddy things in. There's the charging case, down the back, down the front, Goodman's logo on top and all the gubbins underneath about safety and stuff. So what you do, right, there's the two buds. Back them in the charger. So when you close the door, you do get an illuminated display telling you the progress of the charge, or if they're fully charged or not, left or right. Now I don't know what 100% means. I don't know if they're fully charged or not, like, but the real test I think is going to be you know, sort of like listen to some music and that. So I'll clear this mess up and I'll see you back in front of the camera and we'll see what these are like. Rightio, so one thing I've noticed is, now I'm going to compare them to these. I know there's no real comparison, but the likes of them, you fold right out like that and you can just literally take it out, put it in your ear. Loads of access there, dead easy access to them. There you go. These ones are a little fiddly in my opinion. I mean, you know, obviously it's magnetic closed and you sort of try and get it out. You just can't really grip it properly. It's a bit, the plastic's a bit slippy. Don't get me wrong, you can get it out. Like that. But, you know, it's a little bit sort of fiddly to get out. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them both in. Now, if you don't want to read the instructions, when you charge these up and when you're searching for it on your phone or device, take them both out at the same time. Don't take one out like I did and just sort of have one paired and then try and think that this one's going to pair and it doesn't. So take them both out, both flash, search, pair, happy days, can't go wrong. So I'm going to put the first one in and you get this little sort of, I don't know if you can hear that. Bluetooth connected. I'm going to try some copyrighted, well, not copyrighted music, uncopyrighted music I should say. Now, I understand that this test is not going to give a true reflection on how it sounds. I mean, don't get me wrong, I've had these on anyway, so I know what they're like. I just wanted it for the video purpose, just to sort of like, you know. Now, straight off the bat, the bass is very non-existent in it. It's just very, very trebly. And I know you can't hear this properly, but I'll just try and get like, you can up the bass. It's not really the same, but they're not bass wise. They're a bit tinny, if I'm going to be honest with you. Second thing I found out is for calls, they're not very good for calls. I have used these for phone calls, no problem whatsoever. I've even used, where have they gone? These. Now, I've done a video on them quite a while ago, and these for calls are phenomenal. Even the likes of, I have just bought this, which is an official Nintendo Switch headset. Even for calls, they are really good. But I phoned my mate on these the other day, and all I got was, I can't hear you, you're breaking up, you're crackling sort of thing. But, you know, for £15, I mean, you know, as a spare set, you know, I've got loads of other things I can use for the phone and stuff like that. Because I can't walk around the house with a phone like that. I've got to have a headset on or an earpiece in just to have it in my pocket, go about my business, and sort of like just, you know, be on the phone basically. So yeah, overall, a quick overview on these are, for the money, they're good. If you want them as a spare, even if you want them as like your primary sort of earbuds, just be, you know, sort of mindful that they're not very good for calls. And I think I've got them in properly. Yeah. I mean, I'm not going to go through all the touch controls on it. You can have sort of like, you know, have a look at the instructions for that. So yeah, they are the Goodmans, £15. Where's the box gone? Where have I put the box on the window? Yeah, true wireless earphones, or they should be called earbuds. So you should really change that to earbuds, I'm afraid, because the earbuds, not phones. How phones, well, I assume phones are them, you know. But anyway, yeah, enough waffle. That was just a quick sort of like video on this. Yeah, I would recommend them, as I say, just as a sort of primary pair, or just as maybe a backup pair. So cheers for watching, as always, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Nice shooting, son. What's your name?
Chewie.